All right, we are live. Okay, so we're gonna do a quick walkthrough this amazing home that Jenifer is doing an open house at, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. So, but first thing I want to talk about are for those folks that are looking into getting into a jumbo loan product, and basically what that is are for people that can't get into the conventional traditional loan product, right? And so they need a little bit more money to purchase that home. So jumbo loans give you a little bit more money to be able to move forward on that investment. So if you're looking for a jumbo loan, love to run the numbers for you, and we can take a hard look at that and see if it makes sense. So we're gonna kind of flip around here and take a look at this incredible home, and stop by if you guys are in the neighborhood. I'm gonna post a link of the address below, and I see Jen looks like she's on there. Maybe she can post in the comments the address, and you guys can come on by and check us out. So let's go ahead, and this is let's flip this camera around, and let's get rocking. Hey Shelly, how's it going? All right, so we're gonna flip the camera around now. Mr. Goff, how are you, sir? All right. Okay, so here we are. So this is the entrance, and it is a equestrian community. So you can see these pretty epic fences. This goes throughout the whole community. So let's go ahead and take a walk. And there it is. Thanks a lot, Jen. It's 12740 Riding Trail Drive, Wilton, California. So this is the walk up to the property. I just love this fountain, by the way. And so when we get in here, Jen's gonna give you a quick tour of this incredible property, and it can be yours for $950,000.
Hey guys, come on in and I'll give you a quick tour.
If you don't mind, I'm gonna have them take a look at this flyer. There you go. All right.
Okay, so it's $950,000. My Jason was saying 4,400 square feet, 4 bedrooms with either an office or a den, and 3.5 baths. So right when you first walk in, to the left is like the office or a den, whatever you want to make it for you and your family. This home is turnkey move-in ready, but with lots of options on how to customize it and make it specific for your needs. Then straight through the other side is the formal dining area. And this home has lots of detail. There's not like a whole lot of sharp points. It's like really angles and everything. So if you come through here, you can see like the walkways are all up top are all like angled. So it makes for a really cool hallway here. Okay, let's show them down here, sis. So when you first walk in, from the front door, you come straight to like the living area. Nice space with lots of windows, fireplace here. And then to the left is the master suite. It's kind of cool because the master is just on one side of the home, so you can kind of escape from the rest of the house. But again, lots of detail right when you walk in if you see the roof or the ceiling. And then they also made space for like more cabinets. Oh, okay, I'll show that later. There's a dual shower. And let's see, there's dual sinks with a soaking tub. And then here's what I was saying, where they kind of made use with like this space to put some cabinets in on these like kind of just awkward spots. There's 2 closets, which is really nice. So So you can take one, your husband or spouse can take the other, or ladies, you can go ahead and take both of them. So here's a bigger closet to the right. And then there's also one over here, but it's not as big, but it's still really spacious. And then this opens up to the master. There's 2 sliding glass doors so you can walk out to the patio or either of the backyard. And lots of windows, like these windows are super narrow, but it gives it like some really cute like character. Sis, please. Sis is trying to, our daughter's trying to give you guys a tour too. Okay, let's head out through here. And then from right here, you can access the side yard too. And they have like a little seating area, so it's really cool to just go out there and sit and relax. Let's go through the rest of the house. Judy, come here. Okay. So let's head through to the kitchen. So you can access the kitchen through here. Did you see that walkway? Or you can access it through here, or also through the end of the hallway. We'll show you once we get through there to how to get to the kitchen. But there's a massive island, and then it just pretty much opens up to a little eating nook, and then a bigger like family room area with lots of windows for natural light. So just take a look around. And this is really cool up here where I said like there's not really like crisp corners. It's all kind of like wavy or flowy. That this big beam is super cool. It gives it a lot of character. But then the flooring, if you look at it, also kind of follows that curved line. So it gives the house a lot of character. Here's this, please. Okay. And this is something that I want to point out to you guys, that if you're looking to sell your home, this is what the seller left for us, with some chocolate covered almonds and some, they look like homemade chocolate chip cookies. We always, as realtors and having a liver on site, we always bring stuff like little water bottles and cookies, but this just is the seller going above and beyond. So that's something to kind of think about if you're looking to sell your home. Just, you know, be that seller that is interested in helping get your house sold. So let's come through here. Come here, come help me. Yeah. So once you come through here, you can see that this is the right side of the house, all the way at the end. Again, lots of details through the roof. And I'll be back. Hi, come on in. Welcome. We're just getting a little walking tour. So, no, you're fine. My name's Jenifer. Hi, nice to meet you.
Hey, I am back, and so Jen had some guests that just showed up, and we are going to probably pick this up here in a bit. But for those that are looking for financing, looking for a jumbo loan, I'm your guy. She's looking for a house that Jen can compile a list for you if you guys are looking for houses, and we can make this dream come true. But so we got to cut this a little short, but we'll be posting more videos on this page and on Jen's page as well. So stay tuned, and you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to walk outside and give you guys a look of the backyard, right? We didn't get to do that. So let's at least do the backyard, and we'll finish up the rest of the house a bit later. So let me first be smarter than what I'm working with and open up the door. All right, here we go, guys. So we're going to flip this thing around and take a look at this beautiful landscape backyard. So we have beautiful trails here. Have your own private garden with roses. If you're really into that kind of stuff, it's absolutely beautiful, especially thinking about having coffee out here. Can you imagine? Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Got a basketball court over there. Okay, so which is really cool. I'm going to show you guys just more land to actually develop. If you want to do a little bit more to the property, there's some vegetables being grown here. But if you can see the ridge of those trees right here, these line of trees, that's where the property line stops, And so you can actually build up to that. So if you jump into your creative sides, you can make it happen. So plenty of room to make it happen here. One of my favorite trees on the property here is this tree here. Absolutely beautiful. Nice little touch. And this is another look from this corner of the property. All right. So that's about it. That's what we got for you. So we had to cut it a little bit short. Jen had a guest, and that's what this is all about, letting people know about this incredible house and spreading the great news. And so again, this is a one-stop shop. If you're looking for a home and you're looking for a mortgage to make that dream come true, we are your folks that can make it happen and make that dream come true. So till next time, to the next video, tune in to the next video. It's going to be a lot of fun. Got a special gift for some of you guys out there. So stay tuned, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks. Bye.